For months now, the Trump administration has been demanding that nearly every state hand over confidential, unredacted voter data. I'm talking about full copies of statewide voter registration lists, including driver's license numbers and social security numbers. And if the states don't comply, the Justice Department has been suing them. This is unprecedented. The federal government has no business sweeping up the voter files of every state. Under the Constitution, running elections is a responsibility that belongs to the states. States are responsible for registering eligible voters and removing voters who become ineligible. They have the authority and the expertise to do this. The federal government does not. This attempt by the DOJ to collect voter files from all the states also raises serious security and privacy concerns that may violate state and federal law. Why is this happening? It's part of the Trump administration's effort to interfere with our elections. So far, most states have only provided the publicly available version of their voter registration lists. These do not include driver's license and social security numbers. But at least 8 states have provided full voter registration lists, including their confidential information. And the DOJ has sued over 20 states and Washington, D.C. for not complying with this request. In court filings, the DOJ has said it wants this personal data to check whether states are complying with federal law. But a confidential agreement the DOJ has sent to several states reveals at least part of its plan for this data. The agreement says that the DOJ will conduct its own analysis of states' voters' lists and send states lists of voters they must remove from their rolls. But that is not the job of the federal government. If the federal government is allowed to tell states which voters to remove from its rolls, it will be a takeover of the state's authority to run elections that we have never seen before. The Brennan Center is tracking all of these demands from the DOJ, the state's responses, and the lawsuits on our website. Stay up to date with our tracker.